Now, Camperdown High School are the champions of the ISSA Urban Area Under-19 basketball competition after a 62-57 win over St. George's College at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Thursday. Shamar Campbell led the way for the victors with 16 points, while Tyrese Thompson chipped in with 10. Tadre Dickens scored a game-high 22 points for St. George's College, but it wasn't enough to get them over the line.
Camperdown has been trying a couple times over the years to get a championship, and we finally have gotten that championship tonight. Of course, the kids have sacrificed, parents, the school itself has sacrificed, and of course, the entire Camperdown family is elated.
On the field of play, I think sometimes we did not get back quick enough, and there were errors in our errant passes. We made some passes that was too easy for Camperdown to intercept.